Okay, so thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a phone number for your agency for under $1 per month and how to block spam calls using that platform. If you need any help with SEO, head over to Norzer.me. We can help you out. And you can click on the link to join the free Discord below. It'll be in the description below. It's a group of SEO professionals just talking about digital marketing, performance, etc., etc. So how do you do it? So I did a lot of research on this. Most VoIP services are going to cost you between, like $10 and $50 per month. All I need is a voicemail for my business. So if you go here, 225-228-4377, all that does is go to a voicemail. So when you call it, it immediately goes to a voicemail and it says, thank you for calling, not available, leave a message. When that voicemail comes in, I get an email alert with it to my company email with an attachment with an MP3 file that actually plays the voicemail. So what service do I do this for under $1 per month? I use VoIP.ms. You can see here, $1 per month, right? Now, how do you do it? So, well, to set it up, you go to DID numbers and create number, etc., etc. But after you get the number, and that's a whole other video how to set it up. I just figured this out here yesterday. If you're gonna, what you'll notice, if you have, especially if you're a digital marketing agency or any company really, and you have a public phone number, you're gonna start to get a lot of scam voicemails or scam calls. So how do you block these calls? So if you go to DID numbers, and let me pause it real quick. Okay, so if you go to DID numbers, caller ID filtering, all you have to do, and you can see I got this one set up because I'm now blocking this call because like I said, I just figured this out. All you have to do is go to create new caller ID filtering rule. Again, this is VoIP.ms. And I might leave, see if I can get a referral code. If I can, you want to help me out, look in the description link. I might have a referral code there for like an affiliate link. So I get a few bucks if you sign up, right? So what you do, you put in the phone number here. So I'll put in, whoever's spamming you, and you'll see that in the email. Okay, I want to show you what the voicemail message looks like. So this is the notification you'll get. It'll be the phone number it's coming from, and it'll say you have a voicemail. So you can go to the platform here and play it. But what I like to do is just go here, and it sends it as an attachment, and you click OK, and it'll open up your media player.
And verify your Google listing. Again, your business.
Right, so obviously that's spam, and I don't want to continue to get this. So how do I block this number is what we're getting at. So come here, you take the number. In this case, it would be right here. And we've already blocked it, so let's just change it by 1 digit, 3, and then the filter tool applies. There's all kinds of stuff you can do. What I like to do is go to System. You can either just hang up, or actually it'll say number not in service. So you can do that, and there's all kinds of stuff you can do here. But the coolest one is this, and I've actually tested it by using my number. And so what happens is they call, and then it picks up and says this number is no longer in service, right? So it actually might prevent them from calling again because they think the number is no longer in service. So just click that and then click save, and that's all you got to do. So quick video, join the Discord below. If you need any help with SEO, web performance, security, head over to Norzer.me. If you could, like the video, that really helps. Subscribe, and if you could type the keyword you used in YouTube search to find this video, that would be super helpful. So I hope this helps, and I hope I save you some money, and look for the affiliate code below.